We will guide you through how to make floating effect in CapCut PC. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening the Windows Start menu on your computer. Use the Windows search bar to search for CapCut, then launch the CapCut desktop application from the search results. Wait patiently until the editing workspace has finished loading completely before continuing. Once the editor is ready, create a new project or open an existing project if you have already started editing. Import the video clip you want to edit into your project, then drag the imported clip onto the main timeline. Click the video clip on the timeline so it becomes selected and its editing options appear. Next, open the animation panel from the right side Properties menu. Apply either the slide up or slide down animation to the clip to create the initial movement that will help build the floating effect. After setting the animation, move to the top toolbar and click the Effects tab. Choose the Video Effects category to browse the available visual effects. Use the Effects search bar and type Play Pendulum to quickly locate the correct effect. When the Play Pendulum effect appears in the search results, select it and drag it onto the effects track directly above your video clip. Adjust the length of the effect layer by extending or shortening it so it matches the part of the video where you want the floating motion to appear. Once the effect has been applied, click on the effect layer to access its available settings and customization options. Take your time experimenting with the settings to achieve the floating style that best matches your video. Play the timeline several times to preview the animation from beginning to end, paying close attention to how the motion blends with the original footage. Once you are completely satisfied with the final floating effect, save your project to preserve all of your edits.